Creating one impressive AI shot is easy, but creating an entire cinematic sequence where everything feels like one movie is a completely different challenge. So I wanted to test CapCut Video Studio with Seedance 2.5 and see if it could create a complete AI film, from the first idea to the final edit. With one snap of his fingers, he disappears instantly. Our character appears somewhere completely different. He grabs a drink, and once again uses his ability to teleport away, up to the rooftop overlooking the city. Can AI actually create a complete cinematic sequence that feels connected from beginning to end? Let's see how I created this entire workflow inside CapCut Video Studio. First, I opened CapCut and went to Video Studio from the left sidebar. Inside Video Studio, there's a prompt box. Here you can describe your ideas, your scenes, or even an entire screenplay for your cinematic projects. Along with the prompt box, Video Studio also gives you different creation modes, depending on the type of content you want to make. Next to that, you have the skills section. This is where you can create custom skills, or explore the skill market to find workflows that fit your project. For this project, I wanted to create my own custom workflow. So I started by creating a custom skill. You can either upload an existing skill, or create one directly through the chat. I chose to create it through the chat. That way I can describe exactly what I want the skill to do and how I want it to help with my workflow. For this cinematic project, I wanted a skill that could maintain consistency between shots. The character, the environment, the camera movement, and the overall visual style. So I'm going to paste in my skill prompt and click Generate. CapCut opens the infinite canvas workspace. On the right side, you can see the AI chat processing my instructions and building the custom skill. Once it finishes, CapCut gives me a summary of the skill it created and suggests a name for it. In this case, it created a cinematic sequence director skill, focused on character consistency, environment continuity, and cinematic AI filmmaking. I reviewed the generated skill details and clicked Approve. After approving it, CapCut generates the skill package. From here, I can either download the skill or click Add, which automatically adds it to my skill market. Once it's added, I can use this custom skill directly inside my workflow, anytime I want to create cinematic AI sequences. Now, let's start creating our cinematic video. I continued in the same chat and pasted in my cinematic video prompt, describing the scene I wanted to create. To keep the character consistent, I also uploaded my character reference image, so CapCut could use it as a visual reference during the generation.
I'll select the Seedance 2.5 model. Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 reference assets, including images, videos, and audio, to help maintain consistency across your scenes. Next, I select the 30-second duration, since Seedance 2.5 can now generate up to 30 seconds in a single clip.
After everything was ready, I clicked Generate and let CapCut create the first cinematic scene. The idea was simple. A tired office worker checks the time, realizes his workday is over, snaps his fingers, and disappears. The first generation was already close, but I wanted to improve a few details. The snap moment had a slight delay between the finger snap and the teleportation effect, so I wanted the disappearance to happen instantly, at the exact moment he snaps. To refine the clip, I pressed Tab, which opened the editing workflow for the generated video. From there, I wrote a new prompt describing the instant disappearance timing I wanted and generated the updated version.
This precise editing workflow let me edit the video with AI by changing a selected moment, instead of regenerating the complete film from the beginning. Now let's extend our clip using the same workflow. I selected the generated clip and continued from the same chat on the right side. Here I used the Extend feature. I typed, "Extend this scene" using this prompt, and then added my instructions for the next part of the story. The goal was to continue the scenes seamlessly. Same character, same wardrobe, same building, same cinematic style. After adding the prompt, I started the generation and let CapCut continue from the previous clip. And just like that, we now have the two clips we need for the cinematic sequence I showed at the beginning. But right now, they're still separate clips. So the next step is combining them into one continuous scene. I selected both clips and clicked Merge. And now we have our complete intro scene ready to go. The next step is adding the final touches to make it feel more cinematic. So I selected the clip and clicked Edit More to open CapCut's web editor. Now that we're inside the web editor, we can start polishing the final video. I started by adding sound effects that matched the key moments in the scene. For example, when the camera quickly zooms into the watch, I added a whoosh effect. That emphasizes the camera movement and makes the transition feel more impactful. When the character stretches after seeing the time, I added a stretching sound effect to make the action feel more realistic. Next, I added a heading at the end of the timeline and changed the text to say, "To be continued." To make the transition smoother, I added keyframes to control the opacity. Over the final second, I gradually lowered the opacity from full visibility down to 0, creating a smooth fade to black as the scene ends. After the final adjustments were complete, I exported the finished video. What I really like about this workflow is that CapCut isn't just generating random AI clips. The infinite canvas gives you a structured way to build an entire AI production process. AI video generation is still heavily influenced by your prompts and your references. But having a workflow like this makes creating cinematic sequences much more controlled. From one simple idea, I was able to create a complete story, refine the results, and turn AI-generated clips into a finished video. If you want to try CapCut Video Studio and explore these AI filmmaking features yourself, check out the link in the description. Let me know what kind of cinematic scene you would create with this workflow.